I don't know if the interface is supposed to look like that. Can it get any bigger? Yeah, it's the biggest. Today we're looking at Bloom Vocal Ether. I'm not sure if it's Aether or Ether. I'm never sure with these double. Two vowels go walking. First one does the talking is what I taught. So I guess Aether? I don't know. But we're going to be looking at it. It's basically atmospheric vocal type stuff. Although if you look through some of the presets, there's like chops, which are like your standard. Like your standard chop style stuff. I'm more interested in the stuff that leans on drones, textures. That's kind of what I would think of when I think of this sort of a thing. So let's take a look at a couple of these. We'll start off at the bottom. Why not? We'll go into Walk into the Abyss. Pitch it. So the engine this time features a warmer, and let's go ahead and move that up and down. Pretty nice speaker. This is doubler and ethereal. Should be really, really nice. Oop, we clipped there for a second. And as with all the other Bloom engines, you have the samples along the white keys in sequences / extra effects along the black keys. You can change the key and it will transpose it for you. And you could select your samples here. And these are basically all the samples that they have in this particular vocal patch. And then if you go into the edit, there is an engine back here in which you can do a whole bunch of additional editing to the vocal samples themselves if you want to make your own patches. This one is Stasis. These are the samples, by the way. It's so pretty. There's so many useful pad things in here for tracks that just need stuff to glue it together. That's grain pads. Let's take a look here at the lead phrases. This one's lead vocalist. Very nice. Here is a melodic one. This is Hyper A. Let's try a sequence on this one. That's nice. Let's say look at another one. This one's Harmony Engine. I forgot the black keys do things that wound up being super cool. But that's the pitch down effect. I meant to play I was looking at some notes in E major, but it wound up doing that instead. That's pretty nice. Yeah, I totally forgot the black keys are unavailable. Let's take a look at one more. This is the Penta Chiral Choir. Is it Chiral Choir? I assume it's Chiral. bit of a strange one. These are the pitched. Here's Sparse Cuts. Do we have sequences? We do. Here's sequence, let's see A. Memory movement. Overlapping voices. Let me know what you think of it down below. Subscribe and hit that bell icon for future videos, and have a blessed day.